Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which I am going to use settings. So once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key, volume down, both of them at the same time. This will bring up this menu. It gives you also a quick guide on what you can do. Now the reason why I open up settings is because when this pops up, you can also slide it down, and this will bring it up to be scrollable. So you can basically click on it once you're satisfied, and as you can see now it's bigger than it was before. So you can capture a little bit more of the screen, as considering you can scroll on it. Now once you are satisfied with it, you can also shrink it if you want to. But at the end you will need to tap on save right here to save it. Now, as you also see, you can do that, and you can capture basically an entire page right here. As you can see, it stops once it reaches the end, and you have the entire page right here. And same thing, you need to save it at the end. Now sometimes there's also a 3-finger screenshot. There is no such thing here. And also you can sometimes find a toggle right here in the notification panel, which does the same thing. You just capture a screenshot. So that is the different ways you can capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.